In this video, we solve the second numerical of orifice meter. So first we understand the problem statement. Orifice meter width, orifice diameter 15 centimeter, means diameter of the orifice DO is 15 centimeter. It is inserted in a pipe of 30 centimeter diameter. Now we note down this given data, and here we see this image. Diameter of the pipe, this diameter of the pipe is 30 centimeter, and the diameter of the orifice, this diameter is 15 centimeters. So DO is 15 centimeters. From the diameter we find the area. So area of any circular plate or circular section is pi by 4 d square. So here we put the value of d 15, then we get this answer. The area of orifice is 176.7 centimeters square. Second diameter is given, that is a d1, and the d1 is equal to 30 centimeters. So d1 is equal to 30 centimeters. So we find out this area a1, it is pi by 4 30 square. Then we get the answer of the a1 is equal to 706.85 centimeters square. The pressure difference measured by mercury, the pressure difference measured by a mercury oil differential manometer on the two sides of the orifice meters give reading of 50 centimeter of mercury. Means in a pipe, here we see that one differential manometer is fitted, and this is the mercury oil differential manometers, and this difference x is 50 centimeters. So here we note down the reading of differential manometer x is 50 centimeter of mercury, and we need to find the rate of flow of oil, and the specific gravity of oil is 0.9. means here the oil is flowing and the specific gravity of the oil is 0.9, and we already know that the specific gravity of the mercury that is filtered in the manometer is 13.6, and it is denoted by Sg. So it is denoted by Sg. When the coefficient of discharge of the orifice meter, means CD, is equal to 0.64. So here we note down it is a 0.64. Here the mercury difference is given between these two columns, it is a 50 centimeters, but we need to convert in a centimeter of oils because it is a mercury oil differential manometers. For that we need to use this equation. H is equal to x in bracket Sg, means specific gravity of mercury, divided by specific gravity of oil, that is SO minus 1. So here the x is 50, it is 50. Sg means specific gravity of the mercury, it is 13.6, divided by specific gravity of oil, it is 0.9 minus 1. So if we calculate this value, then we get the answer is the 14.11. So 50 into 14.11, we get the answer 705.5 centimeter of oil. So this is our H. So by using these parameters, we are able to calculate the Q. Now we find out the Q. So here all these given data is mentioned here. We already derived the equation of the Q for the orifice meters in a last video. So equation of the Q is a CD into AO into A1 into under root of 2GH divided by under root of A1 square minus A2 squares. So here we are putting all the value in centimeters, means area it is in centimeter square, H it is also in centimeter of oils. So in a different numericals, that is a slight difference are there in a value of H. So in a last video, in a numerical 1, we use the pressure gauge, and the value of the pressure is given in Newton per centimeter squares. But here the manometer is used to measure the pressure, and the difference is given the 50 centimeters. Now we putting all this value in this equation. So first we putting this value of CD, it is 0.64 into AO, it is 76.7 into A1. A1 is 706.85 into under root of 2gh. 2 is as it is. Now what is the g? G is the gravitational force, and the value of g is what? It is the 9.81 meter per second square. Now we need to convert them in a centimeter. Why we need to convert in centimeters? Because area is in centimeters square, h is in centimeters. So we need to multiply it with the 100. Means 9.81 is multiplied with the 100. So it is converted 981 centimeter per second square. Okay, so value of g is 981 centimeter per second square into h. So h is 705.5 centimeter of oil. So we putting them as it is because it is already in centimeter of oils. Okay, so first it is in centimeter of mercury. Then by using this equation we convert them in a centimeter of oil. Divided by under root of A1 square minus AO square. So A1 is 706.85. AO is 176.7. So first we need to solve this part in the calculators, and answer is multiplied with this parameter, means this value of area, and then after it is multiplied with the value of CD. Then we get the answer is 940466317.78. Then after we solve this part, and answer of this part is the 684.4. Then after this value is divided by 684, we get this answer, that is a 137414.25 centimeter cube per seconds. Why we get this q in centimeter cube per seconds? Because we put all the value in a centimeters, means area in centimeter square. Suppose we put the area in meter squares, g in a meter per second squares, h is also in meters, then here we get the answer in a meter cube per seconds. Now we need to convert the centimeter cube per second in a liter per second, means we need to divide it by 1000. Then we get the answer of q is 137.414 liter per second. So this is our final answer of the q. So thank you for watching this video. If you learned something, then like the video and subscribe my channels for watching the more video related to FMHM as well as other subject of mechanical engineering for FMHM. Various link is provided in descriptions as well as in card. Card means on the top right screen of your mobile you can see here the one I symbols. From that card you can also watch more videos. For other subject I request to visit the playlist, and don't forget to share with your friends.